I'm Brooke, your host treasure finder. Today we're here with John from EarthTones Jewelry to see the cleaning process for quartz crystals and the jewels prep process. This crystal batch was first collected and washed to remove the mud that both cakes on them and protects them from damage. Then the washed crystals are carefully placed in the plastic bucket with oxalic acid to remove the black iron oxides and any algae film that's on the crystals or in the cracks. A cover was placed over the bucket with a brick to keep out the rainwater and for safety. The acid solution was left out in the hot summer sun for 1 week to heat up and complete the dissolving process of iron oxide with the acid. The chemical formula for oxalic acid is shown here. Oxalic acid is the chelating agent for metal cations. The iron goes into the solution as an iron oxalate and turns the water a pale yellowish and green in color. This is the formula, and John will now neutralize the acid with calcium carbonate. John is using rubber gloves and lab glasses for safety. Oxalic acid is a fairly strong acid. We will also use a lot of fresh water to wash out the solution and further dilute any acid. It smells funky. How long do we need to wait?
3 minutes.
Okay, we're back and we are starting to wash off some crystals. This one's pretty clean, as you can see. Its camera makes it look like it's glowing, but they are perfectly white. There's barely any residue on them. We do a little bit of brushing and we have to rinse them in water to get any acid residue off, and John is keeping his rubber gloves on for safety, not just for the acid but for sharp edges. Our clean treasure finds now consist of brilliant clear white crystals. The higher value pieces are the very clear ones with natural crystal edges. Clusters with many natural points are higher in value. Moving up the value chain, double terminated, or 2 points on either side, are also very rare. And then there are phantom crystals, which are proto-crystals inside of larger crystals. It's pretty rare to find, but they do grow naturally in Arkansas, so maybe we'll see a couple. They can be seen, the proto-crystals can be seen because they have a slightly milky or ghost appearance inside the larger clear crystal shape. The pieces for jewelry are small points and very clear crystals. Here's a really nice clear one. Larger pieces are for museums, private collections, store displays, or for the executive desk as a curio. Ooh, that was really nice. Okay, as you can see, we're back, and these are all the crystals that we've washed off so far. A lot of them blend in with the water, they're so clear. Let me just pick up a couple. They're perfect points in here. And here's a good one. And we have some clusters too. This is a good cluster. And this one's really cute. Got a really good points on this one. And here's another really good cluster. Honestly, I think this one's the best one. And ooh, that one's beautiful. That one we just pulled out of the water. That is a perfect point on there. And we have a couple of twins. Here's a twin. They're two together. That was a really big point. It's a good one. And the ones that are good for jewelry would be some really clear ones with grooves. This one you can see is really grooved. Look, great as a necklace. And this one also is perfect for jewelry because you can hook the wire to this part and have it hang down. That would be gorgeous. This one is one of my favorite clusters. It'd be interesting to make into a necklace as it's very clear and all strewn together. A couple of them stand up. That one's really impressive right here. Just stands up like it was cut that way. And there's another one over here. I can't find it. Oh, yep, this one right here. It's like it's a little baby. So clear. Alright, so that's these crystals, and here's what they look like sort of before they're put into the acid. They're see, mostly brown. These are the ones that we haven't put in the acid yet, or they were too small. But they were all this color, and now they're perfectly white or clear. That's a really good twin right there. It will focus. And we have some other jewelry and crystals and minerals from EarthTones, and they're over here. We have some big quartz clusters, and we have some copper from Michigan. These are copper clusters that have been tumbled. And we have blue kyanite blades, and see if you can see how blue these are. It's got a dark streak through them. And we have these, let's see if it'll focus. These are agate geode slices from Brazil. There we go, now it's focusing a little better. This one's beautiful. And these are ones that have gold around them. They're gold plated. That's really pretty. And this one just has a hole in the top. And we have some labradorite here. It's kind of iridescent in the light. And we have some moonstone from the same family here. And this is a radiated quartz. And these are some malachite. And we also have some fossils. They're ammonite spirals from Madagascar. And these are really beautiful. They are plated with metal around the edge. And we also have some quartz that are in spirals. So check back with us for more videos and treasures of the world with EarthTone Jewels. Thank you for watching.